LG portable air conditioners collect moisture from the air during operation. In humid conditions, this water can accumulate faster than the unit can naturally evaporate it, requiring manual intervention. When the internal water tank becomes full, your LG portable air conditioner will display an FL error code and stop cooling until the water is drained. While many LG portable air conditioners feature self-evaporative systems that recycle some water for cooling, these systems have limitations and cannot handle all moisture in very humid conditions. There are two main methods for draining your LG portable air conditioner: manual draining, where you empty the internal tank periodically, and continuous draining, where you connect a hose for constant water removal. LG portable air conditioners typically have drain ports located at the back and bottom of the unit. Some models include an upper drain port specifically for dry mode or dehumidifying operations. The frequency of draining depends entirely on your local humidity levels. In very humid environments, you may need to drain daily, while in drier conditions, draining may only be needed weekly or when the FL error appears. There are two main methods for draining your LG portable air conditioner: manual draining for when the tank is full, and continuous draining for automatic water removal. Let's start with manual draining. This method is used when your unit displays the FL error code, indicating the water tank is full. Step 1. Always turn off and unplug your unit before draining. This ensures your safety during the process. Step 2. Position your unit near a drain, take it outside, or elevate it so you can place a container underneath to catch the water. Step 3. Locate the drain port at the bottom rear of your unit. Remove the drain cap by turning it counterclockwise, then carefully pull out the drain plug. Step 4. Allow all water to drain completely into your container or drain. The tank can hold up to 28 ounces, so monitor your container and empty it if needed. Step 5. Once draining is complete, reinsert the drain plug fully and replace the cap, turning it clockwise to secure. Clean any spills, reconnect your unit, and power it back on. Now let's cover continuous draining, which is ideal for humid environments where you need automatic water removal. For continuous draining, you'll need a 5/8" inner diameter drain hose, which is not included with your unit. Start with the same safety steps. Turn off and unplug the unit, then remove both the drain plug and drain cap from the bottom rear port. Securely attach the 5/8" drain hose to the drain port. Use a zip tie to ensure a tight seal and prevent leaks. Cut off any excess zip tie material. Position the other end of the hose in a floor drain or bucket. Gravity will allow continuous drainage. Ensure your unit is on a level surface, then reconnect and power on. Finally, here are some important troubleshooting tips to keep your drainage system working properly. If you notice water leaking from the bottom, check for a full drain tank, clogged drain line, or improper installation. For internal component issues or persistent leaks, contact LG customer support or a qualified technician. Regular maintenance and proper drainage will keep your LG portable air conditioner running efficiently and prevent water damage to your home.